So after we explained about meiosis, it's time to differentiate between meiosis in males and meiosis in female. Meiosis in male is called spermatogenesis, in female it's called oogenesis. Even though meiosis is the same concept, it's going to produce in both cases haploid cells, but there are some changes in the outcome or the number of cells that are produced, in addition to the size of the cells that are produced in male and in female. Meiosis in males is called spermatogenesis, and it is the process by which sperms are produced, and in female it's called oogenesis. So before we talk about the details about each process, it's very important to understand the variation or the difference between the production of sperm and egg in male and female, when it starts, whether it's continuous or no, and when it ends. In female, the production of the egg starts in the embryonic life. So in the second trimester of the pregnancy, the formation of the egg will start and it will stop at prophase 1. And this posing allows the cell to stay in G0. If you remember, G0 is when the cell is not actively dividing temporarily or permanently. So the egg cell will start its formation, it will start meiosis, and it will pause during the embryonic life. After the embryo is born and after 9-10 years until the year of puberty. The year of puberty is the year when the hormonal changes in the female allows for the continuation of the production of the egg. As a result, at this age, the female is able to become pregnant and able to carry an embryo. Okay? So again, production of the egg starts during embryonic life, it pauses, then it continues or proceeds at the age of puberty. And the age of puberty differs from girl to another, from female to another, and there are environmental factors that influence the year of puberty. Now, the production of egg is not continuous though. It will stop at the age of the menopause. Again, external factors, hormonal changes in the body, orders from the hypothalamus in the brain will stop the production of certain sex hormones that will stop the production of the egg. And the age of menopause marks the age of when the woman is unable to become pregnant after that. So the production of egg starts at puberty and it ends at menopause. And still, one egg is produced per month, or to be very accurate, per 28 days. So each 28 days, only one egg is produced. The ovaries are able to release one egg, and this is called the ovulation day, per period or per 28 days. So you can calculate how many eggs can be produced in the lifetime of a woman. Now, on the other hand, the production of sperm is different. The production of sperm starts at puberty. It starts from the beginning at puberty, and it will continue until the lifetime. Through age, the production of sperm might decline due to the hormonal changes in the testosterone or the main sex hormone, but still it's continuous. So a male at the age of 70 or 80 might be able to produce sperm, might be able to become a father, whereas this is not possible in males. So there is no menopause in males, okay, and the production of sperm is continuous, and the number of sperms produced per day are millions. So there are millions of sperms produced per day in the testes, and this production is continuous throughout the lifetime of the male. One more difference between spermatogenesis and oogenesis is that spermatogenesis is a typical meiosis that produces 4 cells, and these 4 cells are haploid cells. Then after these cells are produced, they will undergo some modifications in order to become mature and ready to carry the information to the female reproductive system during reproduction. So spermatogenesis will form 4 sperm cells. On the other hand, oogenesis produces only 1 mature egg cell. And it happens in the ovaries, one of the 2 ovaries of the female in the reproductive system. In both spermatogenesis and oogenesis, meiosis starts with a stem cell. We call it a germ cell. But the outcome or the result is different. As can you see in this image, oogenesis will result in the production of one egg. We call it ovum. One ovum, one egg. Then what will happen to the other three, supposedly three cells? They will become polar bodies and they will disappear or broken down in the female reproductive system. What's the reason behind that? The reason is the egg or the ovum, it's going to be the host of the sperm. So this is a huge egg, and it's considered one of the largest egg in humans, and it can be seen by naked eye as a tip. If you carry a pen and you just make a point, it's like a very small point, and its diameter is 0.5 millimeters. So it can be seen by the naked eye as a small dot. This cell is going to be the host of the sperm. During fertilization, the sperm cannot carry the mitochondria, the organelles, everything. So the sperm only carries at its head or at its tip the genetic information, the 23 chromosomes. So during fertilization, the sperm can only carry the nucleus, which has the 23 chromosomes, and the rest of the organelles that are needed in the cell in order to divide are present in the egg cell. For this reason, the egg cell, it has to be huge, so the division of the egg or oogenesis will result only in one huge egg cell. At the other hand, 4 sperms are produced in spermatogenesis.